No, my kids. No one. I missed you guys. Oh my word. I missed vlogging. It's been 5 days. Oh, sorry guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please minimize your screen. I'm giving you 3 seconds. Done? Chef's kiss. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is as I said, but you can call me Mrendi. I missed you guys. I missed you so much. I missed vlogging. I missed. I was home for a couple of days because we did not have electricity in my area. So I went to my mom's house. Yeah, and it's just been a lot. I went there and I vlogged. Like, I have 2 vlogs, but it's just like a bits and bits of everything and a little of nothing. I'm just like, nah. It was just a lot was going on there, and at some point I felt like also I was not present with my family. So I was just like, let me just put the phone down, be present, and we'll see, you know. Also Kiddo was like on school holidays for a few days, for 2 weeks, not a few, 2 weeks, guys. And there was a school project that we had to do, so we finished everything, back to regular programming. So what we're going to do today is just to clean up this place. If I do finish before 12, it's currently 9 o'clock. If I do finish before 12, we're going to the gym. And because I haven't been to the gym in 5 days, guys, 5 days. You know, at this point, I'm literally not even gymming to lose weight. I mean, that's the goal. But for my mental health, you know, like as an adult, guys, we are going through so much, and I feel like gym is just like a very safe way to just release stress and be happy. Also, when you gym, guys, you release hormones called endorphins, and endorphins make you happy. Okay, so let's clean. And guys, I've seen like 4 or 5 cockroaches in this house. In the last, we've only been here for a day, and I'm so stressed. I am so stressed. Like, I am so stressed. This is me like telling the whole world that I have cockroaches in my house. Yo, let's clean, guys. Maybe they will die.
Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, baby. Open die for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan line. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on it. Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Minutes supposed to cross crying. Since the pain, oh yeah. Listen, I love you. That sounds strange. I wish it would rain. The minute supposed to cry. I wish it would rain. I wanna go outside. I wish it would rain. Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. The minute supposed to cry. Listen.
So it's currently, what's the time? It's currently 3 minutes to 12. I'm not done yet, but I cleaned the surface levels, like the dishes, the counters, the floor, and tomorrow I'm gonna do inside the cupboards, shift like things and stuff, because I really do feel like my house needs a deep cleaning. Since it's going to 12 now, I'm thinking I should just go to the gym because I want to and I miss it. I'm gonna go for like an hour just to like get the blood running. I'm gonna end the vlog at the gym, right? That will be the end. Thank you guys for tuning in. The channel is doing so well. We are on 315 subscribers. Who would have thought? Thinking, should I shower, should I not shower, because I'm going to the gym. I don't smell, so I'm not gonna shower. I'm just gonna change and go to the gym, and then when I come back, I will shower. Thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting, and just supporting me. I love it. I love it here. I love it here, and I love you. So let's go gym, so I can motivate you to go to gym, because I know you're paying for that membership. Also, it's October and you said you're gonna get your summer body this year. I'm just saying. I'm not trying to make myself better than you, but I know I don't have my summer body, but at least I'm going.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.